Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. I'm also along with
6 feet ES05.
and today I have 3 weather videos. These might be the last videos I might get for a long time due to the dying eBay market. So let's get started. I also have my overkill knife like how I had with the last unboxings. And CP, you know, the 991 is also a good DXing radio. Okay, this open. This knife is crazy sharp. Oh, good packaging. Oh, look at it. That's this 991 right there. It's small. Wait, that's small compared. There's a 74-109. There's a 12262.
Oh, there it is.
Let's get these open. Look at that.
Oh, that looks pretty cool there.
Look at that, guys. Press all the buttons to wish you good luck in service. That's very cool. It's time for the this boy. He packaged this well. Here we go.
There's 262.
And now it's time for the ultimate baby crying radio.
It's 74-109.
And here's the 262 right here. Oh, F5, introduce yourself.
Oh, what's up?
Introduce yourself, F5.
F5 Tornado Gray?
Yeah.
Just arrived here. I also want to say, guess what let's go. You got a radio. Oh, guess what, Chance?
What?
I got my 148 king.
Hi, we could do an unboxing together.
I'll go silver. My cow's better king.
But guess what, F5? Guess what, F5? F5, guess what? There could be a S&W, so that'll be a special, ultimate special video, unboxing and warning. And here is the 74-109. Come on. Now here's a 262. Press every button and flip every switch to wish it good luck in service. And here's the 74-109.
And I have a sore throat today, unfortunately.
Okay. Let me get a dumbass power strip. I'll be right back in 1 second. I'm gonna need this.
Guys, look at my camera.
Hold on 1 second.
Oh.
Oh, there we go. So, what should we start out with? Yes.
You should start with the 991 since that's the hardest one.
Yep.
Actually, you know what? Do 262 first.
Yeah, and let me get a picture of that. Wait, look at there. Landon wrote the model number down so I won't accidentally kill one of the videos.
I mean, you kind of tell the difference between Oh, fuck!
Crap. F5's radios is going off. I'm recording it, F5.
Fuck you!
Until 3:16 p.m. Eastern.
Oh!
Damn! That's oh, Carolina. Y'all introduce yourselves.
Why?
Just 34 nuts or greater.
Fuck you, TBW.
I'm recording, dumbass.
34 nuts.
Carolina, introduce yourself.
Downforce. Make sure all on board are wearing life.
Dumbass. Okay. Well, his username is Carolina Elevators and EAS.
Son of a bitch, bro. Well, that's just so fattening.
Here's a 262.
It's so fat.
F5, you know I was recording. Don't say the F word again, please.
Sorry about that.
Signal
It
lost.
scared me so bad. So and just one thing for TBW. Why do you do that in the middle of me and Chance's unboxing?
Exactly.
And why?
On Sunday,
I gotta figure it out.
on the forecast track, the center of Aaron will pass out of Atlanta,
Hold
Canada
on.
today and tonight, and then race
Sound
across.
clear?
It was kind of messed up. Discord.
Bro, this Discord's fat.
Aaron is likely to.
Bro, that scared me so bad, bro. I was literally just like, I wonder if they're gonna shoot Marine Morning. And then I hear my phone go off. I look at it. It says Marine Morning Deploy. I'm like, shoot. Of course you do that. I'm trying to do an unboxing, TBW.
Yeah, TBL and LIX, y'all might go off here soon.
Huh?
LIX, they might go off soon since there's a storm over Mississippi Sound.
Bro, I literally just got back, bro. Bro, I can't wait to see that on Chance's video, dude. Yeah.
What am I even doing, Dookie?
You want help?
Yeah, I'm trying to get off the alert thingies.
Bro, I literally almost dookied myself, bro.
Look, I'm trying to get off the alert things. How do I get off of that?
Press the middle button. Do you want me to show you?
Warning watch advisory, what should I press to get off of this?
For to see what alerts can be on and off. I think they're already on.
No, but how do I get off of it?
You press the left arrow.
There you go. Set language already. Set country, not really necessary. Backlight, I'll keep that off. Select channel.
85.
Actually, wait. We should probably make sure the backlight's on auto.
Auto, yeah, it's on auto.
Yeah, keep the backlight on auto.
See, look, it's on auto. When I push these buttons, it turns on.
Okay, good. Bro, that scared me so bad, bro.
Okay, put the 262 right there. Wait, the next radio should I get a 261 or Sanjian?
Sanji.
Yeah. Okay, it's time for this fat boy right here. This just quote unquote from that guy, Giant Pill.
Yeah, let's.
Oh, we got a freaking pill radio. Anyways, back to unboxing when TW interrupted me.
Okay, time to do the 74109, which will be the which has got to be the easiest radio to set up.
No chance looking at you, bro.
Well, did you go to Burger King? Style Pyro!
Scary ass. Anyways, time to unbox this. Ah, man, that's smart of you, bro. Put it in the wrong way. This is like the newest one.
Time to plug in the 74109. It's gonna be loud as hell.
This is like the newest one I could find. It actually still has the protective covering on it.
Yeah, it does. So does. All you want to keep it on. F5.
Wow, this thing's like brand new. Just has some dust on it.
74109.
SPS.
Port of Hillsboro.
Oh, it's 50.
Uh-oh.
Why is it so small? That's like the smallest SPS I've ever seen. It's literally just for MacDill Air Force Base. Okay, anyways, alright, and here's the radio.
Test in 3, 2, 1.
Southwest winds around 5 knots veering northwest.
Wait, what?
after midnight.
How do I?
Seas
You gotta hold the
2 feet
test button down.
Chance of thunderstorms.
Wait, what? I'm pressing the test button. Shut up.
Well, you have to keep holding it down.
In the afternoon. Seas 2 feet or less. Chance of thunderstorms.
The weather broadcast turns on when I press it.
Oh, wait a minute. Show me the back of it. What's the alert on?
It's on voice.
Turn the siren. Because if it's on voice, it'll just immediately cut to the broadcast.
3, 2, 1.
By the way, the siren will sound lower pitched when it actually goes off for weather alerts.
That's cool. And you know what I like about this radio? The reason why I wanted to get it, not because of sound test too, because of these little stickers right here. A tornado, what looks like snowflake, sun, rain, whatever, you know. I'm gonna go.
I got a new scanner. Yeah, for a little bit. It's alright.
The time to put the 74109 over here.
Huh?
I put the 74109 over here. Bought by the black and silver.
Oh, yeah.
I ran out of cord
Oh,
space.
damn. Huh?
I ran out of cord space.
Yeah, I probably did too. Anyways. Alright, time to plug this thing in. If y'all don't know what I'm unboxing, I got a unit in Bearcat BC148 XLT.
Oh, cool.
Also known as one of the cow scammers.
Ooh.
0%. Let's press all the buttons so I should good luck in service.
Yeah.
And I have for the future reference, pressing WX and alert will test the siren. Here's the adapter. And let's go ahead and plug this in. In 3, 2,
DD crash out.
Memory loss. What is that?
Memory loss.
Okay.
Well, that probably means that you lost your freaking you know what I mean.
No, God.
Wait, F5, is the red logo 911 red? F5.
Dude, WF30 is lagging. Like, they're doing this being safe.
Plug it in and
They're like,
3.
They're stuttering. Like, they're stuttering.
LIKIH21 does that too. Plug in 3, 2, 1. Okay.
The 991.
Okay, what do I do?
How do I change the channel? Give me a second.
F5.
There we go. Okay, there we go.
Where's the menu? How to open the menu? F5.
Give me a second. Well, you hold down select.
Select channel. Select.
Yeah, it's a little weird, just to let you know.
1 west.
Probably like one, a really
Aaron is moving toward the east.
Memory 2. What's that?
Let's go right now. Let's press exit. Hey, Dad. Hey, Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I had to put my dad in his cradle because he kept trying to get out. I don't want to mess up my dad on a work call. Alright, so let's do a siren test on this thing. Here we go. So, I'm pretty sure you press WX and alert. Here we go. And go. Holy crap, that's loud.
Well, what? So there.
Dude, that thing is loud. Let's try that again. Wait. This thing can get case theory really well. Okay, let's try another sound test.
CP. Oh. 6 feet earlier. 6 feet earlier, you said you heard thunder from my computer.
Wasn't it just stick to like a 2006 model?
Hey, Chance, on the back of the 60, what year is it? No, the 262. That thing open.
It's yes, 06.
Okay, good, one time.
Dolphin Island, winds were southwest at 6 knots.
Yeah, it sounds like LAX is also having that problem where their transmitters sound like they're stuttering.
Yeah, listen.
Sea temperature 87 degrees. At Shell Beach, wind west at 6 knots. Air temperature 81 degrees.
TBW stations are giving
Here is the tropical weather outlook.
Weird. So yeah. F5, do you have a 911?
What's that?
Do you have 911? I think you do.
Yes, I do. It's right here.
I'm the only one that doesn't have a 991.
Yeah, you
Right
need
here.
it. Yeah, you need to get yourself one.
Actually, look at this. This is it go off our Marine one right now.
519.
Guess what? Both of us have white logos.
Nice. Oh, you can show the viewers. Look at this. This is the Marine warning scroll. Quiet down alert reminders. This is the Marine warning scroll.
Oh, cool. Yeah, if LIX just explodes, I'm gonna have to jump up and record. But
But yeah, cool thing is the 991 has a little reminder where it goes. Boop. Listen to it. Watch. Alright, look, see it. Watch. Show the viewers chance. It's about to go. Boop. Wait for it. Go. There it goes.
yeah, I couldn't hear it. But anyways, this concludes the unboxing of the 74109, which is over there, and the Radio Shack 12991 and the 12262. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Introduce yourselves.
Dixon KSO5.
And F5 printer gray with the Union 148.
Alright, hope you guys enjoy this video. Peace out.